Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot dashboards for pipeline visibility, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu. Click on the dashboards option. Select create dashboard to start a new dashboard. You will see various dashboard templates available. Choose a template that suits your pipeline visibility needs. After selecting a template, provide a name for your dashboard. Now, you can start adding reports to your dashboard. To add a report, click on the Add Report button. Browse through the available reports or search for a specific one. Once you find the desired report, click on it. Select Add Report to include it in your dashboard. You can move or resize the report as needed. Repeat the process to add more reports for comprehensive visibility. To customize a report, click on the pencil icon. Make any necessary adjustments to the report filters. Click Save to apply your changes. Next, arrange your dashboard layout to enhance readability. You can drag and drop reports to different areas of the dashboard. Once satisfied with the layout, consider sharing the dashboard. Click on the sharing option to set access permissions. Select who can view or edit the dashboard. Finally, click Save to finalize the dashboard settings. Your HubSpot dashboard is now set up for pipeline visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.